This is an Allison transmission control module found in 2006 to 2008 Chevy and GMC Duramax trucks, also known as A40 and T14A Allison TCMs. A failure with these little modules can result in big problems for your truck. Over the past few years, these TCMs have become a major headache for truck owners. In this video, we'll show you how to diagnose a faulty unit and what you can do to get your truck back on the road quickly. These TCMs are used in 2006 to 2008 2500 and 3500 Duramax trucks equipped with the Allison 1000 transmission. Typical symptoms of a bad TCM include diagnostic codes like a U0101, U0100, or a P0700, as well as the inability to shift gears. Often the first sign of failure is communication loss between the vehicle and TCM. This will result in harsh, unpredictable shifting or the vehicle being stuck in limp mode. Sourcing a brand new replacement can often be a frustrating process. The manufacturer doesn't always keep them in stock, and even when they are available, the cost can be surprisingly high. On the other hand, used modules can be hit or miss. They come with no guarantee of reliability and almost always require additional programming before they'll work in your vehicle. At Circuit Board Medics, we remanufacture A40 and T14A TCMs for a fraction of the price of a new one. Our rebuild targets the weaknesses of the original manufacturing process to ensure full functionality and protect you from problems down the road. Each module undergoes comprehensive testing before it ships out and is programmed to work perfectly in your vehicle. We offer Allison TCMs as an exchange service. Simply provide your VIN, place your order, and we'll ship a fully remanufactured TCM the same day your order is placed. We don't charge a core up front, so when your rebuilt TCM arrives, just slip your old module into the same box and send it back. No programming will be required, and your TCM will be backed by our 2-year warranty. If you're ready to get your truck back on the road, head over to circuitboardmedics.com or call us at 800-547-2049. We look forward to serving you.